small makeup table, tiny false eyelashes, and button-sized face powder? Watch our new video to learn how to make the world's tiniest makeup for Barbie that really works. Samantha's doing her makeup and Christy is still playing with toys. Actually, why not do my doll's makeup? Samantha decided to decorate the doll's lips and even picked a lipstick for her. Wait! Why use regular lipstick when I have a special one just for Barbie? Use a hot knife to cut off the tip of a marker. Push the cotton filler down and cover the cut with light clay. To make a cap, color half of a plastic capsule with acrylic paint. Write a makeup brand name in marker. Color the base with black acrylic paint. Coat the whole thing with clear nail polish. Touch up Barbie's lips. Whoa! A real miniature lipstick that really colors Barbie's lips? Let's try it out. The color is perfect. Now the doll looks much better. Christy's digging around in her makeup. She doesn't even know what she's looking for. But Samantha knows. She's trying to find Barbie's makeup bag. Cut out a template of a small makeup bag out of paper. Trace it on felt. Cut it out and glue it together. Cut off part of a zipper. Cut the zipper tape and glue it into the bag. Attach a keychain holder with a clasp. Decorate the bag with stars. Christy can't find her makeup bag. Oh, here it is, in Barbie's hands. How cute! Christy's not even mad, since her doll makeup bag is perfect for doll makeup. Speaking of makeup, look, there's something inside the bag. Let's see. Aww, it's a doll eyeliner. How lucky! Cut the rod of a gel pen. Cover the cut piece with light clay and coat it with clear nail polish and make it pearly. Poke an air hole through it on the other end. Attach a heart-shaped bead to be the cap. What a tiny eyeliner! Samantha touches up Barbie's eyes. And she immediately looks different. Our beautiful Barbie is missing something. How about a personal vanity table? Cut rectangles out of a sheet of foam core. Decorate them with shiny tape. Hot glue the pieces together. Make a desk drawer out of cardboard. Attach a strip of cardboard covered with decorative tape and insert the drawer. Glue on rectangular beads as handles. Cut the mirror off an old compact using a heated knife. Use a heated screwdriver to poke holes along the perimeter. Cover the frame with glue and sprinkle on glitter. Insert little lights from a string of LED lights into the holes. Make light holders from light clay. Hot glue the mirror on. Make a back for the table from more cardboard. Turn on the lights and hide the battery case behind the table. What a wonderful little table! But Barbie doesn't want to do her makeup while standing. We'll help her. Bring in the chair. Coat an empty bobbin from thread with silver acrylic paint. Make a C out of light clay. Cover the base with glue and glitter. And attach a small faux fur cushion. Barbie sits down. Now, doing her makeup will be much more comfortable. Plus, the lighting is practically professional quality. I'm almost jealous of her. Barbie opens her desk drawer and finds tiny false eyelashes. Cut 2 pieces off of false eyelashes. Trim them. Form them into an arch shape and attach the mini lashes to a strip of cardboard. Cut a piece off a plastic lid. Glue it into a rectangular case. Put in a foam rubber sheet base and put the lashes inside. Sign it with pink paint. Barbie applies her lashes. She's going to a party at Ken's place. Barbie has a visitor. Her friend's also getting ready for a party. How did she get her hair to look so good? Wrap a doll in Saran Wrap. Dip her head into hot water and remove it. Insert a plastic stick from a stand into a small piece of wood. Put the head on the stick. Brush out the hair. Make 2 buns. Secure them with rubber bands. Braid some embroidery thread. Separate a strand of hair and use superglue to attach the braids underneath. Hide the joints with more hair. Barbie loves her friend's colorful outfit and trendy hair. And her friend's makeup is so unusual too. She's every party's VIP. Paint the doll's lips with matte acrylic paint. Put her head back on her body. Use Elmer's glue to attach star-shaped glitter to her forehead and cheeks. Use a nail file to rub down a scarlet pastel. Use a brush to apply it to her face like blush. Cover the doll's eyes with clear polish to make them shine. Barbie's friend is so stylish. Her look is so unique. With friends like these, this party is going to be so much fun. Our Barbie might look good after a touch-up too. Christy brings out some foundation. But it's way too big for Barbie. What should we do? Make the foundation and sponge smaller. Seal a cocktail straw on one side. Cut off the excess. Mix foundation with pearly powder. Fill the straw. Trim off the end of a dispenser from an empty bottle. Clean the end of the straw and glue in the dispenser. Decorate the straw with hearts. Cut a doll-size makeup sponge out of a regular one. This tiny foundation and micro sponge are perfect for a doll. Apply foundation to the sponge and then onto Barbie. There you go! Her skin is glowing! And we can store the foundation on her vanity table. It'd be good to set the foundation with powder. Samantha quickly comes up with a tiny beauty product. Some elegant face powder with a puff. Remove the extra fastenings from an empty container from paint. Cover the container and lid with pink acrylic paint. Remove the paint from the center of the lid and glue on a bead. Coat it with Elmer's glue and sprinkle it with glitter. Mix some old face powder with pearl powder and pour it into the container. Trim a small pom-pom and attach a satin bow. Put it into the powder compact. What a lovely pink powder compact! Christy takes out the soft puff and powders her Barbie's little face. The perfect finishing touch for her makeup look. What will Samantha have to say? I think she's still missing something. We forgot blush! Look for some on the vanity table. Cut one round cell out of a blister pack. Cover it with light clay. Trace the piece on a shiny foam rubber sheet. Write a makeup brand name with a marker. Cut a strip out of mirrored paper. Glue it onto the foam rubber sheet and bend a tab for attaching it. Remove a tablet from the cell and rip off the foil. Attach a foam rubber sheet lid. File down a raspberry-colored pastel. Sprinkle the blush into the cell. Coat the plastic with pink acrylic paint. Get some blush from the compact and color Barbie's cheeks. Next question, what should we use to apply it? Samantha already has an answer. Take these special brushes. Break some thin paint brushes. Trim the bristles. Make 3 different shapes. Cut a pointy brush for eyeshadow and lip gloss. Squeeze the second brush with pliers and trim it. Spread it out with your fingers. Make it look like a brush for blush. Also clamp the third brush with pliers. Cut a diagonal edge like for an eyebrow brush. Apply just a little Elmer's glue so the brush doesn't frizz. Cover the metal bases of the brushes with glue and dip them in glitter. Fill the lid of a spray bottle with caviar beads and insert the brushes. Christy uses the tiny brushes to finish her Barbie's makeup. Finally, she's party ready! Our dolls are beyond beautiful now! Did you like our mini makeup for Barbie? Then let us know in the comments about what makeup you'll make for your dolls. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new Barbie ideas from Troom Troom.